Friends, welcome to my video. In this video, we'll see how to fix the packaging options deprecated error in Android Studio environment. So let's begin. Let's create the app of packaging options deprecated example and see how we'll fix it. So let the environment load up. Perfect. My environment has come up. Now I'll go to the Gradle file. And yeah, in what scenario we will need the packaging options. So a scenario when we have to exclude a particular resource or add or something like that. So in this first I'll show the scenario when we will need the packaging options. So I'll do something. I'll add an implementation, and implementation could be for, say for example, I was developing some app for email client, building an email client. So for that I was trying to implement or add this library in my Gradle, so which is basically mail 1.6.6 version. I think this will not be hyphen, yeah. So and then also what I'll do is I will control C, control V, I'll add another one which is basically com.sun.mail Android activation instead of mail. Yeah, so these two are the library which I think I need for my mail, building my email app. So I have implemented, I have synced them now, and syncing is successful. So I'll try to run them in an emulator. So Gradle is building now. It may take a while. So we'll see some error will pop up because it expects us to exclude few of the resources from the packaging. So by default in this Gradle, you can see that options doesn't come. So we may have to include that. Yeah, see if you notice. So the error has popped up now. And two files found in this meta-inf notice. So what we have to do is we have to add a packaging option block may help. So how to fix that? So right now it asks us to add a packaging option. So let's try to add a packaging option in our Gradle. But if I add it like this, so if you notice it says it's deprecated. Although it's deprecated, I'm not sure why. Android Studio still pops up this as a hint. So if you, okay, so the older shell was like you add this and then you exclude whatever you want to exclude. You can exclude like that, and you can give the name of what you want to exclude. Say for example, if you want to exclude this meta-inf notice, so you can just add like this. So this was the old style of doing. However, if you notice that everything is now deprecated. So what's the solution here? Solution is you have to, instead of packaging options, you just use packaging, and instead of exclude like this, you have to use something called resources dot excludes dot add, and in this add you have to add the element what you want to exclude. So say for example in this case it's meta-inf and notice. So I'm not sure why. Okay, I think it will be double quotes, not a single quotes. Let me try that out. Yeah, perfect. Now let me sync now again, and if it syncs then I'll run it in an emulator and see. It still gives error for the second one. So we'll have to do the same thing. So here what we can do is we can just add one more this resource exclude part, and we can just put this instead of notices. Yeah, so we are excluding both the packages. Now again sync now, process remains same. Syncing should be pretty fast, and then I can start my emulator. Perfect. So if you see, build is successful now, and my emulator has started. Perfect. So that's all I wanted to show, that how easy it is. You have to just change it to packaging option, packaging only, and not the packaging option. So if I go back to here, so instead of packaging options, you have to just use packaging for the for this fix. So that's all. I hope this video is useful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, then please put it in the comment section below. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.